So now, next, what happened? The jinn sat down with his chin in his hand while the camel looked at his own reflection in the pool of water. So the jinn was thinking, and meanwhile, the camel was looking into pond for his reflection. You have given 3 extra work since Monday morning, all on account of your idleness, said Jin, and he went on thinking with his chin in his hand. So, what happened? The Jinn was explaining to the camel that you have given 3 extra work since Monday morning, but you are not doing any work. And same he was thinking also. Hump, said the camel. But the camel, he is having the same dialogue with himself. Hump. I shouldn't say that again if you were, said the jinn. Now jinn was saying ki, I shouldn't say that again if I were you. It means in place of you, if I were there, it means if I were be camel, then I will never say this word. You might say it once too often. I want you to work. And now the genie is explaining that you have said this word too often. It means very after very short interval you are using this word, and you should work instead of saying this word. And the camel said hump. It means after explaining him also, he is again saying hump. But no sooner had he said it, that he saw his back that was so proud of pulling off and puffing up and puffing up into the great big hump. So the earlier the camel was very much proud over his back, over his body, but now he is now no longer proud over his body, because what he is observed that his back is puffing up and there is a hump on his back, a big hump. Do you see that? Said the jinn. That's your very own hump. Now the jinn is explaining him. Can you see that hump behind your body on your back? That is your own hump. You have brought upon your very own self, but by not doing, not working. He is explaining that because you were not working any thing, you were not doing any work, and because of that this hump is there on the back of yours. Today is Thursday and you have done no work since Monday. He is saying that today the day is Thursday and since Monday you haven't done any work. Monday, when the work begin, now you are going to work. The jinn was explaining to the camel that now you should start working. How can I, said the camel. The camel was questioning to the jinn that how can I start the work with this hump on my back, because I am having hump on my body. So how can I work with this kind of thing on my back? That's the purpose, this said the jinn. Now the jinn is saying that is a purpose. It means there is a reason why you are having a hump on your body, all because you missed those 3 days. All because you have missed those 3 days. You will be able to work now for 3 days without eating, because you can leave on your hump. Now the jinn was explaining to the camel, because the 3 days you haven't worked, but now because you are having hump on your body, so you can work for the next 3 days without eating anything, because you can live on your hump. And don't you ever say I never did anything for you. So the jinn was asking to the camel that don't you ever say that I haven't done anything for you as a master. I have given you a hump. Come out of the desert and go to the tree and behave. The jinn was also saying him that now it's time to come out from the desert and you should go to the tree. It means to the ox, horse and the dog, and you should behave with them. You should cooperate with them. And the camel went away to join the three. Now the camel was moving outside of the desert to joining the three of them, and from that day to this, the camel always wear a hump. Now this is the story, that from that day when the jinn had given him a hump, and till now we can see that all the camels are having hump over their back. But he has never yet caught up with the 3 days that he missed at the beginning. It means the 3 days which he was, when in the past, where he was not working, still all now also the condition of the camel is same. He is not working very much. Just like in the beginning of the world, he has never yet learned how to behave. It means he's still a lazy animal, just sitting all day in the desert, not doing anything. He haven't learned any message from his past, and haven't learned anything from the jinn still now. So this was the entire story from Rudyard Kipling. I hope you got the message from this story. This is just a imaginary imagination of Rudyard Kipling. We can't say this is a real one. uh, Thank you.